here I am outside now of the new apartment I've got, and this is what you see from the roadside. So this is what it looks like from the roadside. Number 1150 there. Let's just go up and show you. That's what the building looks like there. And so when I arrived, my key was waiting in the red little letterbox there. So you've got a key for this door here, which I've just left open, so I've just come out. So you come through here, and you see this area here. So I've got the scooter there. That's handy. Off-street parking for the scooter. Shut the door there. Right, so you come through here. Just walk down. And then you've got this little chip on the key, which you touch on the side there. There you go. And you can get through this door here. And then it's up the stairs. And you go up some stairs, and there is the washer and the dryer, which I've used, only 40 baht, so that's handy when you do need some washing. You can get your washing done nice and easy, no problem. And in here as well is a sink area and a microwave, but I don't really need those. I'll show you why in just a second. And I'm on the 3rd floor, so let's go in. I've got an end of corridor room, which is ideal for me. Right, we're in. So this is what greets you immediately as you come in. And to your left here, there's some of the kitchen area. So there's this storage area here. We've obviously microwave, and I've got my bits and bobs on there. And there's a little shelf above. I've got all my stuffs. Do your own cooking. Comes with knives and forks and all things like that. And I also got, which is a bonus, there's I'll put it in there for now, it's just out of the way, but that is like, it does frying, you can do all sorts of cooking on that. It's like a hot plate, and there's a toaster and a iron. And then you've got the sink area here, another storage cupboard there. There are some frying pans and that come with the place as well. Do your washing up there, another little storage cupboard there. That's got the plates and mugs and things like that, cups and saucers, all that sort of thing. Decent sized bathroom there with a shower. There's a shower there, so decent size, and obviously sink with a decent sized mirror. Then moving around here, there's a nice big fridge with a freezer section and a kettle. And then there's this area here, which has got some drawers. I've got some of my clothes in there. Ironing board look, and a room safe. Hanging area for your clothes, and a bit of storage space up the top there. So all good there. And to the main area of the room. Nice big bed, and I do get a cleaner once a week. So they've changed the sheets yesterday and all the pillowcases and everything else. Did the room, cleaned that out. Not that I'm a dirty person anyway, but they cleaned all the floors and cleaned all the bathroom out. So that's once a week. And then I've got me little sofa there, 2-seater. For me, excellent. This is even better. Is this nice desk area here, look, with a nice leather office chair and plenty of plugs there, so I can do me vlog edits and me college work and everything else there, this area. Obviously television and another mirror there, but once that television, I just unplugged it as soon as I got here because I've never had a television on in Thailand yet. I suppose this box underneath here is to do with the television, so all the channels and things, but who knows, never had it on. Let's move over here, let's open this up. I do have a balcony, as I overlook the road. So this is my view outside. Just up to the left of behind the tree there's just a 7-Eleven just up there, so very handy for supplies. That's my view out. And out this side is quite a rarity in Thailand really, and it's a Christian church. Yes, we don't get many Christians in comparison to obviously Buddhism in Thailand, but there's some here. So there you go, I'm next to a church, which is not too noisy actually. So there's the car park area there for the church, but once again, not too noisy. There is another floor above me, but there's not too many people here at the minute, so it's relatively quiet. And I've also got a side window so I can look over the church as well, and obviously, if need be, got a nice little window there I can open as well. And that's the view out of the window. Not too bad, I don't think. No, not too bad at all. So there you have the new BNB apartment. Slightly more expensive than the last one, and I would have had to get another BNB apartment sooner or later anyway, but I had to get this one a bit earlier than expected, so it doesn't really blow the budget or anything, because I would have had to get another one anyway. It's just a bit sooner than expected, but I think I've done alright actually. And the host has got many other apartments dotted all around and in this building actually, so I'm a bit more confident with this host. The help and support function from Airbnb, I will say, totally useless. They've set that site up on purpose so you cannot email them. No, you cannot send an email. You have to try and follow the FAQs and some of the tips they give, and hopefully that sorts your problem out. If it doesn't, then folks, you're in trouble, because then you have to send a message, and then maybe in an hour or two after you've sent a message you might get an automated response, and you might get an actual person send a reply, and then all they'll say is, oh okay, I'll elevate this to a support agent immediately, and then you never get a response. So Airbnb, absolutely shocking, terrible customer service. So that money for the original place, I can't get those few days back that I'm not even there. Forget it, that's gone. So yeah, shockingly bad customer service and backup from Airbnb. You are terrible, Airbnb. You really are. I'm disgusted with it, really. But at the moment, I needed another place, so it's a case of, oh right, okay, there's a place there, let's get it. So far so good with this place. Been here a few days now. Do me college and everything else. So yeah, obviously updating you now with what's been going on. So that's a bit of the gap between coming back from Cambodia and now. So now you're up to date with all the events there, people. So now things have calmed down, I can get on with some daily life and back to enjoying myself and doing my college work and everything else. So more updates and vlogs coming soon, and of course I'll put the details down below of this new place and the costs and everything else for you. So you're all up to date now, so no problem. So now we're moving forward in positive light as we was before, so all good once again. Yes. So until the next vlog, blackout.